Today is Recycle Day. We have been over here in the old graveyard disassembling the old units, and we're going to load all of this up this morning, and then we're going to get out and take it to the old recycling yard. And we're just going to put all these compressors on here. The number of compressors I have here are the number of heat pump and or condensers that I have taken apart. 3, 6, 9. So this is 9 of them. All the parts and scrap and recycle, ready to get and go. Condenser motors, copper. I still got a lot of air handlers, a few air handlers I need to get through. Air handlers are always easier because just take the fan out. But we're gonna get it all done, knock it all down, clean up the old graveyard before the season starts again.